I'm gonna be taking this to this. What if I told you that you don't need to buy a whole new S650 Mustang to get that S650 look? Because today, I think I found the cheapest way to completely modernize your Mustang's front end. Or I wasted a few $100 on Chinese headlights that are about to ruin my car. Let's go find out. If you own a S550 Mustang, you kind of know the struggle. The car looks good, but when you park it next to an S650, the age really starts to show. The age on mine was really starting to show. With the new S650 Mustang, they really nailed the headlight design. It's sharper, more aggressive, and way more futuristic. So the question is obvious. Can we steal that look without buying a whole new car? That's when I found this. This company from China had an S650 headlight that looked absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it had everything I was looking for. It looked good. It looked just like the S650 lights that I'm looking for. It has DRLs and it uses LEDs. You can switch between yellow or white DRLs too, so customization, and it just makes it look more modern. And it has sequential turn signals that you can program along with a startup sequence, which the OEM Mustang just doesn't have. Naturally, I go check out the price because well-known brands like Morimoto charge up to $1,300 for a headlight just like this. So, what exactly is the price of this Chinese version? Not $2,000, not $1,500, but a few $100s with free shipping included. This immediately made me raise two questions. Why are they so cheap? And what's the catch? I started to investigate by going on their website and looking for reviews. But as I looked, there was no reviews. I then went to YouTube to see if I could find information there. There was only 2 videos with VLAN and it was just company videos. Again, there was no reviews on this product. Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, Google, no reviews. Basically, it looked like no one on the internet has bought these S650 style headlights from VLAN. And with that, I had to make a rational decision to buy the headlights. I mean, if nobody else is gonna do it, I guess I can do it. Buying car parts from China is basically like a coin flip. You're either gonna get a hidden gem or a piece of shit. Now we are at the scariest part, which is the shipping of the product. Now, if you guys look at this world map, China is over here. The US is over here. They have to ship it from China to the US, and who knows what's gonna happen in between China and the US. Now, lucky for me, on their website, they have warehouses in the US, in California. And on top of that, it says it delivers in 3 to 7 days. At least, that's what I thought.
Dear customer, I hope this message finds you well. We wanted to inform you that the product you ordered is currently out of stock in our US warehouse. The product is currently on its way by sea and is expected to arrive at the port around January 22nd.
I got this message on the 26th, and they want me to wait nearly a month to get my product.
I'd like to cancel my order. The website said receive items in 3-7 business days. That was the main reason I chose to purchase this product. Could I get a full refund?
And just like that, I thought it was over. I thought no S650 headlights for me until...
Dear customer, we apologize for the inconvenience. If you're willing to wait, we can offer you a $30 discount as compensation. Best regards, VLAN.
Yeah, I don't know. Money talks, guys. I don't even know. I'm a broke college student. What do you think I said? What do you think I said? I got a partial refund, and now I only paid $419 for the headlights, and the hardest part was ahead of us, which is waiting for it. Now I waited. I dreamed about these headlights. I was literally foaming waiting for it to come. And I heard nothing from them for 19 days until I saw this. know these transitions are a little bit dramatic, but you gotta understand it was 30 days and we finally have a tracking number and it's coming from Yun Express. I've never heard of it. That is not FedEx. Anyway, I got the package. It looked like this. It was literally a box, nothing on it. Actually, it had a tear on it and it was dented and it looked like someone been stabbing it. Now when they opened up the box, there was some cables, which is great because that means there's stuff in here. There was also a user manual, which was more greater because that means there's instructions and the company actually cares about you. So that was really nice to see. After you take that egg carton off it, you get your headlights and now we can go install it. So let's go do that. First thing you want to do is remove that front bumper and just be careful with the clips. Here is my headlights, my old headlights. And to remove the headlights, you're going to take out this bolt. Then when you go over to the side of the car, there's also this bolt. The last thing holding the headlight in place is this single connector, so you unplug it. The new headlights are literally plug and play. Literally just reverse what you just did, and the results are gonna look like this. Now without the bumper or anything on, these looked so good. Let's throw the bumper on and get first impressions. When I first saw these headlights on my car with the bumper on everything, it looked absolutely insane. I mean, just take a look at it. The LED is super bright, super crisp. The housing is super clean. The overall design flows really well. This blew my mind. The DRLs were super bright and just the design of it was very, very premium, which I didn't expect. The turn signals on the car were a big step up from OEM. They were sequential, it was yellow, it was beautiful. I honestly could not stop looking at these headlights. They were just so well made. Now looks aren't everything, so we had to try out the low beams and just the visibility. And guys, let me tell you, it did not disappoint. Easily brighter than OEM. Now it's time for an honest review. Okay, for looks, I think I glazed it enough. It's definitely a pass. Now for the light output, it is definitely brighter than the stock, and I think it is slightly slimmer in how wide the light is. So we're still gonna pass. So for longevity, I've only had this headlight installed for 2 weeks. No issues, so only time will tell. So for this one, we're gonna pass on it and just give it a question mark. Okay, so how legal is this? Now, if you live in the US, you need a DOT certified headlight. Now, this is only QC certified, so it does not pass. Okay, so overall, I am very, very happy with these headlights. And honestly, if you're expecting perfection, this isn't that. But if you're chasing for the best bang for your buck, this headlight is definitely the answer. If you're drooling to get that S650 look without the money, this is definitely the move. I'm going to be daily driving with these headlights. I'm going to be testing it in the rain, at nighttime, basically whatever gets thrown at me. I'm gonna test it and I'm gonna let you guys know if they fail. I already took it to the car wash to get the car cleaned up and it was looking nice. As you guys can see, even when they're off, they look good. Even when I go and turn them on, they look good. And here I do a little startup so you can check out how the startup looks. Beautiful. After the car wash, I went straight to the beach. And guys, look how this is under the sun. It is so nice. So let me know down below, would you run the S650 style headlights on your Mustang, or do you think OEM is the only way? And if you guys want the update video where I see how these hold up after months of driving, make sure you are subscribed. I'll be answering every single question related to these in the comment below. And if you guys want, I will drop the link to purchase this for yourself. Alright everybody, that is it for this video. I have lots of plans for this car, so if you're new, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like the video, and make sure you got those notifications on because my next upload is going to be a very, very exciting video. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.